Yeah. In this topic, we are going to talk about extend report setup. Extend reports. So in the last video, we talked about report ng setup, right? How to do the report ng setup, everything we talked about that. So that is hopefully something around 40 people watched on that one. So this one is we are going to talk about the extend report. First of all, see, whenever we are running the test cases, right? For example, I have one TC, okay? Let me go here. The mercury test or something, okay? Let me assume that actually I'm just running this particular test case. Run test engine test. I'm running this particular, sorry. This, give me a moment. This one is, let me run this. Oh, it's creating the trouble. It is creating the trouble. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Okay, let me go and create one TC, small TC here. Okay, let me go here. Go. How to create the test case? Go there. Okay, simple Mercury login test. Mercury login test something. Okay, I'm creating the test case. Okay, going there, create the .xml. Right, I'm going here. What I will do, I will use the same test case. Okay, what you will do, you will go. First of all, what you will do, verify okay, login successful. Successful message display. These are my TC. Okay, how will you do that? Actually, you did it multiple time the previously. So I'm going to copy paste the same stuff here. Okay, so here is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy paste the same method. What you will do? Copy the same stuff here. I'm going to paste it here. You already did it multiple times, so that's what. If you have any kind of doubt, is you just go and refer the previous video. Let me go here, go here, go here. Okay, web drive is equal to Sri Ram. Sri Ram something I created. Okay, here is simple. Okay, this is a very, very simple TC. Go here, source format. Okay, this is one. So what is this TC is doing here is, it is opening the application, okay, clicking on the submit button and just saying this, login successfully message or something. Let me run this one. Oh, what happened? Why it is not running? Oh, sorry. Why it is not running? Just go there. Oh, what happened to my test ng? Is facing some issue. Give me a moment. Could be upgraded something. Hold for a moment. Let me check it. Yeah, it's working. Give me a moment. Yeah. Assume that actually this TC is working. Okay, this TC is working. Let me run this my TC as well. Okay, Mercury login test. Go there. Mercury login test, right? Mercury login test. That is my test XML. Go there. Refactor, rename, copy. Go to the form.xml. Where is the form.xml here? This is the one here. This one. Right click. This one. Clean it. Success. Do the right click. This one. Test. So what it is doing actually? This pom.xml, it is pointing to my test.xml. Sorry. This is a test.xml. Where is my test.xml? It is present under the src test Java and Mercury login test. This is a one. This is my test.xml. It will go there. In the test.xml, I have the class. The class name is Mercury login test. Where it is present under the test scripts. Go there. So here is whatever the test method is present. It is, what is that? Simply it is running there. How it is simply running? It will go there. It will launch the Chrome, launch this application. What is that? Simply click on the submit button and verify the login successfully message is displayed or not. That's what. But what do you understand from this one? Are we able to, somewhere it is failed, right? Because we are expecting something like, login successfully message is login successfully one is expected, but actual will display as a login successfully. But are we able to understand anything from this one? We are not getting anything because it is failed. We are not getting anything. So show this result to your manager. Hey, it is failing means you, right? If your manager is a technical manager, obviously he can understand that. Okay, something exception is happening, he will go and troubleshoot it. But if it is your manager is a more functional or domain expert means he won't understand kind of technical stuff. So what you have to show? You have to show as a proof. What is the proof? HTML report. Hey, this many number of cases I run it, cases are failed. Show the steps as well. That then only he will trust you. Then you'll feel that how to generate that. That's what I bring it on. Report name is, what is that? Extend report. Okay, so here is no log information. Clueless, right? This execution result is, it doesn't have any kind of proper log information where it is failing, what it is passed, what it is failed. We are not sure about anything. So better is if we have any kind of proper reporting, that is nothing but extend reports. Last week we talked about report engine report, right? Similarly, we are going to talk about the extend report. Okay. So how to do that actually? What do you have to do? To generate the extend report, first of all, what you have to do means you have to set up some POM. Set up pom.xml with extend report library. That is the first step. Then what you have to do? You have to create the driver class with your extend report name, and other, what is the name, what is the title of the report, theme of the report, what is the color, something, right? What kind of color you want, something, okay, theme of the report, everything. Then what you have to do? You have to add a log to your test scripts. What do you mean by log actually? A log is, there are so many different log. Like it could be information log, it could be a error log, it could be a pass log, it could be a warning log. So this kind of log information, everything what you have to do, you have to add your test scripts. If you go to this particular scripts, do we have any kind of log? No. Simply, we are saying this launch applications. Simply, we are clicking on the some button, verifying something. No logs actually. So what you have to do? You have to add a log to your test scripts. Then what you have to do? You can run your TC. So this 3 steps, if you are doing, then it is very easy. You will get the very good HTML report. Okay, let's go one by one. Set up pom.xml with extend report library. Okay, let me go to here, pom.xml. Okay, what are the stuff I newly here is this is regular, okay? This everything is regular. Selenium. This is a what is that? WebDrive Manager, TestNG. This is a regular one. Here is I added these 2 stuff. What does that means? Avanstack. Okay, in the Avanstack group is what is that? It's an extend report. Then extend report TestNG adapter. Please listen carefully. Extend report, that is a what is the report? That is artifact. And again, I added extend reports TestNG adapter. This one. These 2 steps I added. Okay. These 2 steps I added. Then again, you will feel that. What about this? What is that? Maven compiler. The Maven compiler plugin is I just use 3.8. And this is, you already know that, right? So it's referring to Java 8 only. I'm using Java 8 only. What about this one? This is, I'm just using this Surefire plugin. That is nothing but 3.0. I'm using this. This is, you already know that, right? What is that? This one is, I want to run my TestNG. Where is my TestNG? That TestNG name, I have to mention it. And what about this one? So what is the use of this line number 84? 84 is this pom.xml will refer the testng.xml. In the testng.xml, I have the class. In the class, I have the test method. So that test method, it will be run. What do you have to do? Once you run, then you have to generate the report. That will be taken care by this particular one. Okay, if you want to generate the report and put it under the test output folder means, you can mention it test output folder. Under that, there is one more folder called this T2C report. It means I just kept the name. T2C means Tirunelveli Canada report, something I put it. Under this folder, you create the report name like T2C extend report.html. So what will happen? It is going and creating here. See that? It is going and creating here. This is what my report. So you can generate the report in this manner, or there is a 2 way of creations. Okay. If you want to create in this manner also, you can do that, or with the help of the programming also, you can do that. That's what I'm saying. You can generate the extend report in 2 manner. One is with the help of the pom.xml. Another one is with the help of the programming. Now I explained about with the help of the pom.xml, where hey, generate once you execute this particular XML, testng.xml, test output folder, there is under one T2's report. See that test output folder, T2's report. And under that, you can create my HTML report. That is nothing but T2C extend report. That is what it is created. And Plus, what about the another method? Okay, before we go to the another method, this is a line number 1. Hopefully everyone, you are able to understand this. You want. Okay, I already mentioned that. Then not library, this is a report setup. Okay, done. So step number 1 is done. Okay, Bas, you told that we can generate the report with the help of the programming also. Yes, that I will explain in the step 2. Okay, step 2 is what I did means I created one driver class. For that, what I did, I created one base package. Under that, I created one driver class. Okay, again, people who are new to this particular training, don't get confused. What is this everything? Don't confuse. Take your time, understand that about this explain. I need your time only. You should, understand the video thoroughly. Okay, because I explained this in deeper manner. Don't skip it. Okay, understand the classes and object concept thoroughly. Without this basic stuff, if you directly come to this kind of stuff, it will be confusing. Okay, I'm working in this industry for last 17 years. So based on my experience only, I created this flow. So definitely it will be helping for you. So don't skip any of this particular video. Just to go one by one slowly, take your time, understand it, then you come to this point, this kind of stuff. Okay, anyway, let me go to this step number 2. Driver class. What I did, I just created one driver class. You will feel that, boss, you put the driver class. Is it mandatory? No, it's a user-defined one. You can keep anything. Prakash class also I can do that. What I did means, I created 3, what is that instance, like, driver, extend report, something. If you feel here is extend report, extend test. What is mean by extend report class? There is 2 things I created, right? One is the extend report, another one is the extend test. So this is nothing but your report. This is nothing but your logging. Okay, logging. You will feel that what in by extend report actually. Let me go here. Okay, extend report. Extend report is equal to extend. Just I put the name as extend something. Okay, now you'll feel that. What is the use of this particular extend report actually? I'm sorry, one more also, right? One more also I forgot to explain that. Extend Sparker. Okay. Okay. What I told actually, these 2 are for report preparations. Okay. These 2. What is the use of this one? You can create the report name, title, theme, everything, right? Okay. Now I want to create one report. Where do you need to put the report actually? You can put the report under test output folder and this one. That's what I told you, the method 2. The previous one is where I put it actually. Same test output folder, but under one more folder is T2C. Then the report name. But here is what we are putting. We are directly putting this one. So this is the report. This report through pom.xml, this report through programming. So who is helping this one? This particular class, Extend Spark Reporter. This class is what it will do. It will create the report under this particular folder. This is the report it will be creating. It's an empty report. What we are doing means with the help of this Spark object, I'm configuring. What I'm doing means, hey, set the standard theme. Standard theme is standard colors. And again, the title is, report title is, set it as T2C automation report. Report name is T2C training test result report. See, this is the title, this is a report name. And also set the time as well. What time the report is generated, put the time. So, what time, how I am doing this one? This stuff, everything I'm configuring with the help of this Spark. So my Spark contains standard theme, report title, report name, time, everything. Now, this Spark is what I'm doing means I am attaching into my extend. Where is the extend? I already told, right? Extend is nothing but it's a report. My report is empty, right? Now, this contains this all the stuff as well. So the Spark, right? The Spark, whatever the Spark contains theme, right? Title, what is it? Theme contain theme, title, name, and time. Then finally, this stuff, everything is attached to here. Spark is attached. Your template is ready. It means your template is ready. Your template is ready. Okay, template is ready. But what about my test case? My test case has to be, what is that? Show that, right? Whatever the test case I'm running, that log, everything has to show that, right? For that, how to do that? For that only, this extend class is helping. Where is extend class? This one, extend test class. This extend report and this extend Spark reporter, this both are for template creations. This one is for your logging. What will be logging actually? That is a third step. Third step is what is that actually? Add a log to your test case. You're not able to see the screen? Give me a moment. Anyone not able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen? I'm not sure when the screen got stuck. But anyway, I'll repeat one more time. So step one, I'll explain one more time. Step one. The step one is set up pom.xml with the extend library. How to do the pom.xml? The pom.xml is, this is a one. What do you have to do? You have to add these two library. What is this two library? There is nothing but Avanstack and extend report test engine adapter. What you have to do, I'll share this pom.xml with you. Just to copy and paste it, that's all. Automatically it will work. Okay, you have to add only this to pom.xml. So this is a step one. Okay, this step two is you have to create the driver class. So that I created here, driver class I created. This is a base, driver class is created. What is the use of this driver class? This driver class contains three different classes. One class is extend Spark reporter. Another class is extend reports. What is the use of this extend Spark reporter? This class is, it will help you to design your report theme. What is the theme of your report? What title you want? What is the name of the report? What time, what time? What is the time? Whenever you are generating the report, right? What is the time of the particular report? What day it is taken? Because your manager asked, right? If you're showing like long back report means he won't accept it, right? So that one is this kind of extend report is extend Spark report is helping. So once you are ready, then you are attaching with this particular extend report. What is the use of this extend report? Extend report is it will create the template. Okay, see, this is the code I explained here is. This is the code explained here. Okay, fine. Now, third step is we are looking for the logging, right? What do you mean by logging actually? As I mentioned, right, in the previous run is we are not able to anything, we are not able to understand this particular one. If you show this log to your manager, if he is a, what is that? Techie guy means definitely he will understand, but he is a SME, domain SME means, or process manager means definitely he cannot understand, right? If you show in the HTML report, definitely he will understand. So what you have to do? You have to make your report accordingly. What should I do? Same way only I created. I created one test scripts. Okay, you already know that, right? What in by before method? Before method means this method, annotated method, it will be run before executing every test method. That is what the thing, right? Okay, fine. Now, what I did here is I used it with the try catch block. What I'm doing, driver dot get off this one. What is the use of this one? You already know that. It will launch the application. That's all. What it will do? It will simply launch the applications. Okay, you already know what in my driver. Driver is here, right? In the driver class. This is the one driver, right? Here is what it will do. It will open the Chrome browser and it will maximize it. Done. Now, I'm adding the logging. What is the log information? Here is I talked about, right? Extend something, right? This is extend. This is a test. So test is equal to what in bit test actually? Test is nothing but may extend test. And what about this one? Extend, that is report. So extend means it's a report. Okay. Yeah, let me go to it. So test is equal to extend dot create test. Here is I'm adding the log. What I'm adding the log? Verify login successfully message one. That is the TC. It means test case. Okay, so it means TC1 or we can call it 1. I'm just saying this. This is my test case 1. Okay, how I'm creating with the help of this particular method. Who is supporting this method? But who is extend report? Who is extend? This guy. Okay, now this log I created. After that, I'm adding the log. Test.log. What is that? If this is executed success means, then you can mark it as status.pass, successfully opened Mercury application. After that, what I'm doing, I'm entering the username. Username is Mercury. Here is again, I am adding the log. Test.log of status.info. Entered the username Mercury. Again, same password entering. Test.log of status.info. Entered password Mercury. Generally, we won't display the password here, but time being, I'm just putting. Again, what I'm doing, click on the submit button. Test.log, status.info. Clicked on submit button. See that if we go to the previous TC, right? Are we putting any kind of log here? We are not putting any log here. But in the current TC, if you see here is, I'm keep on adding the log. Info, info, info. You'll feel that bus info. Can I put it like pass also? No problem. We can put it pass as well. If you are putting the validation, then you can put the pass. If you are not putting the validation, no need to put that pass. And you'll feel whatever the logging information we can put it. It is supporting for fail, info, pass, skip, warning. You can pass it anything. I feel that info is a suitable one. That's what I put it as info. Okay. Then here is I'm putting the verification. So that's what I put there. If the verification getting passed, then put like status dot pass. If the verification getting failed, then what you have to do? Status dot fail. Then get the message and report it there. Okay. Similarly, one more, let's say second TC also. What is this? This is a TC. Okay. Same way put. Now my test case is ready. I want to run it. How to run it actually? Let me run this TC same way. So let me go to my pom.xml, go to here pom.xml. This is my pom.xml, right? This is not my XML. So what is, this is my test case, right? This test case, sorry, I have two test cases. Test case 1, test case 2, two test cases I have, where this is where it is present under the this test.xml, right? If you go to here, so Mercury. So this is Mercury login is my XML, but in the pom.xml it is referring Mercury login test. So delete that. Put that proper one. So now Mercury login. Okay, now what do you have to do? I have to go and clean. Run clean. Right? So if you feel that anything like changes or record something means go there. Go to the, if you are feeling any kind of error something, go there. Update project. Go here, update it. Because you may getting some kind of error, right? So this kind of error, to avoid that, generally we have to do this kind of stuff. See that it is updating the Maven project. See now the error is gone. Okay. If you're getting this kind of error, then do the force updations. I'll repeat one more time. Go here, go to the Maven, update project. This project is Extend Report Pro. This is your project. Click it on this one, click it on this one, click it on OK button. That will happen. Okay, now I have to run it. Now this is my pom.xml. This pom.xml contains Mercury login.xml. This is Mercury login.xml. This Mercury login.xml contains this particular class. This class contains two test cases. What will happen? Before running this particular test case, this before method will be called. This method will refer the driver from here. Okay, you will feel that bus. What is this? Extend something. You already know that, right? What do you mean extend? Extend is nothing but inheritance. I already explained here in this particular one, right? If you go to this my previous video, during the inheritance, I already explained. During this abstract class, interface, right? And inheritance concept. In this in this two video, I explained very well. Okay, go through the video. If you are totally new to that, go through the video so that you will be getting understanding. Okay, now let's run this. So do the right click, run Maven test. Let's see. Okay, it means, what is that? Two test cases run. Out of two test cases, one is failed, right? but you will feel that bus. Right now also you are getting similar kind of what is that log only. You only told that after implementing this kind of extent report, you will be getting. Think about that actually. We told the two stuff, right? You will get the report, right? Where is the report? Here is the report, right? Two reports. Go there. Refresh it. Can we open the report? Yes, we can open the report, right? Go there. See this. This is the report. In this report is what it is, successfully opened the login application something, right? Pass. How the pass is coming? See that? We put it here, right? In the TC1. Pass. Successfully opened the Mercury application. Whatever the log we put it, it's coming here. What time? See, my time is something around 7:31 p.m. See that? It was run that. What about this one? Enter username as Mercury. That's a info, right? Info, info, info. Info, info, info. What about this one? This is my test case name. What is the test case name? This is the one. See that? What time it is started, what time it is ended. Okay, team? And what about the test case? What is that? Two. Two is it's failed. Why it is failed? This all the log, everything, it is automatically showing as a fail. It is showing here. See that? That information also. And you will feel that what is this test and the result, everything. If we go to here in the driver classes, we put the name, right? T2C, what is that? Report name T2C training test result. Yeah, this is a name. T2C training. This is a name. What about the title? T2C automation report. That's a title. Okay. What about the standard theme? That is the theme of this particular one. That's a theme. Theme of this particular report. This particular theme of this particular whole report. Okay, team. Now, if we this is a section, right? If you go to this section, you will see this. What time it is started, what time it is ended, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed. What is this, percentage of pass? See that it's failed, this is passed. Okay, see that? How many events are passed? 3 events are passed, 1 event is failed, and 6 other something. You will feel that what in by, but TC is only two only, but how three? This is events, not TC. This is only test. One test failed, one test passed, one test failed. This is events. Events means either 1, 2, 3, like that. 1, 2, 3 events. That's what it's saying. 3 events passed. Okay, so this report is somewhat good, right? This is called extent report. Okay, the report they are calling is the extent report. So the generation of the report is really easy, right? You can filter it as well. If we, right now I have the very, what is that, limited number of test cases, but in the future if you have more number of test cases, you can easily filter it as well. TC2, okay, TC2 something, put it like TC2. Assume that you have something around 2000 cases, means there is a filtering options as well. TC2, TC1, you can filter it. So that's kind of filtering options also available. Okay, team. So this is what about the, what is that, extent report generations. I think someone has joined in our session, I think today. What about that? I'm not sure who joined. Any doubt about this extent report? I think 2 people are joining. Any doubt, team? If there is no doubt, then I will close the session. I'll post this particular, recording session, sorry, documentation, everything in the, what is that, down sections. So you can copy paste from there. Thanks a lot for your time, and we'll meet in the next session. Bye.